The Cuisinart Griddler gets a sleek, contemporary look and innovative functions with the Cuisinart Griddler 5. All the classic cooking methods you want, like contact grill, panini press, grill, griddle, and full or half griddle now come with user-friendly digital precision controls, easy-to-use countdown timer, and a brilliant LCD display. Simply set the function, temperature, and time, and let the Griddler 5 cook your favorite foods to perfection. With 5-in-1 cooking options, you can prepare hash browns, crisp bacon, and make blueberry pancakes all at the same time. Or grill up tangy and onion Gruyere burgers, or even a chocolate hazelnut panini as a special treat for dessert. You can prepare an entire meal in 15 minutes or less, including cleanup. The Griddler 5 features an adjustable floating cover, stay-cool stainless steel handlebar, and the reversible, removable cooking plates are completely dishwasher safe. With adjustable temperatures from 175 to 450 degrees, you can lightly toast a panini or sear your steak to perfection and use the 2-minute sear function for lightning-fast results. All of the features you love with a simple, modern design. The Cuisinart Griddler 5 is the ultimate addition to your countertop.
George Foreman, the #1 brand in grilling, just got bigger. With over 240 square inches of cooking surface, the George Foreman indoor-outdoor grill can handle up to 15 servings at once. And it has all the classic features you've come to love in a George Foreman grill. The George Tough non-stick coating makes everything manageable. Signature Foreman heating elements deliver even heat from the center to the sides of the grill. The included removable stand allows for the complete grilling experience, indoors or out. And with a removable grill plate, cleanup is beyond simple. The George Foreman Indoor-Outdoor Grill, now serving your party of 15.
Now you can enjoy gourmet grilling flavor outdoors with the Cuisinart Outdoor Electric Grill with VersaStand. The perfect outdoor grill for condos, apartments, small patios, and other places where gas and charcoal grills are not permitted. This high-performance grill is compact, yet incredibly powerful. The 1500-watt grilling element heats up very fast, so you're ready to start grilling right away. This innovative grill utilizes VersaStand, an integrated telescoping base that allows you to go from tabletop to a self-standing grill in seconds, giving you the convenience of grilling comfortably no matter where you are. The Cuisinart Outdoor Electric Grill provides ample cooking space for the entire family. The cooking grate is large enough to cook 8 steaks, 8 hamburgers, 6 to 10 chicken breasts, or even over 4 pounds of fish. Enough food to satisfy even the hungriest of crews. And when you're done cooking, the Cuisinart Electric Grill with VersaStand stores away neatly for easy indoor or outdoor storage. Now you can grill like a gourmet chef without having to be in a gourmet kitchen. The Cuisinart Outdoor Electric Grill with VersaStand. Real outdoor grill flavor and a comfortable grilling height from an electric grill.